to design, how to make an amazing graphic with Canvas app. My name is Adise UC, and welcome to my platform. Okay, I'm looking for the app. This is Canvas. Like, I'm going to show us some of the works I have done in the past. Okay, recent designs. These are my recent designs. I have used these designs here. Okay, for instance, this particular one here, 3-in-1 digital pack, I've used it. See this particular one here too that has my picture, I've used it. These 3 top mobile graphic design apps, I've used it. So most of the design here, I used it. So now I'm going to show you how you can make this design. If you do not want to use any of the design here, maybe you don't want to use the one from Instagram, assuming you want to make a design you want to post on your IG, you use IG post, use it so it can fit in. Then if you want to go for the one for story, you make use of the one for story. You make Instagram story, Facebook post, logo, poster, flyer, mobile videos, A4 document, and lots more. So what even sorry, here I was wrong with my network. Back. So certificates, business cards. So what I want to do now is, I really do not have any graphic in mind to make, but I'll try to make something. Okay, let me use for this particular video, I want to make a thumbnail for this particular video I'm making now. Thumbnail. So I'm going to use YouTube. I wish I have YouTube logo with me. So I'm going to use YouTube. I'll just type YouTube so I can get what I want. YouTube. Okay. So this is the shape. If I use this on my YouTube, it can fit in. So am I to use this? Okay, let's keep on going. I will surely find what I'm looking for. I surely get what I'm looking for. Sorry, I might be taking little of your time. So am I using this? No. Am I using this? How to design with Canvas. Okay. How to design? Is it how to design with Canvas? Okay, let's go to Google. Let me find the best name to give this video. This is how I do. Let me find the best name. How to create a network, or how to create graphic design. Okay, how to graphic design. I think the name is ranking. That's why I was able to say it first. With your phone. Okay, that would be the name, because that's really the name I gave That's really the name I gave to the course. Has this how to create graphic design with your phone, how to make graphic design with your phone. Okay, I think it's okay, the name is okay. But back to this, how to make graphic design with your phone. Am I to use this? I'm just thinking this. I'm still thinking which of them to go for. I really wish it don't take much time. I'll try and pick one. So okay, let me use this. I just hope it's not the paid version, the premium version. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Not really going to take time. How to make graphic design with phone. With your phone or with phone? Sorry, with your phone. So with your phone. So I'm not really, I have to adjust. So how to make graphic design with your phone. So I'm replacing this image here with I'll look for YouTube, some of the, I don't know, do I have a screenshot? Some of the screenshots I have here. I just hope I get what I'm looking for. Have I ever? Okay, these are some of just hope I find what I'm looking for. Just looking for. If I'm not going to find, I think I should go and load. Save myself this wireless stress I'm trying to go through. Okay, let me download. So this process I'm using to do this, you can also use it to make your own. Anything you want, just pick, download. YouTube, which one is the best to use right now? Which one is the best to use? I really don't know, but we must take one. Okay, I saw one here. Let me see how this one go. I don't know how it's going to be on. Don't know how it's going to load there. So let me download and see how far I got it. Okay, replace. So okay, you see, wow. So are we using blue for the background? Let me check if we are going to try another color. No, it's not. Okay, assuming we tried, okay, black. How do you see? I've once used black on my, black. So what other color are we trying? I think I'll go with that blue. I'll go with the blue. Is that the blue we are using? No, I think this particular blue. So I'll go with this blue. Save myself plenty stress. So this is what I'll be adding on my, once I've uploaded the video. So am I showing us? Why am I downloading with Pro? It's not free, so I can't really download this. I can't believe I can't download this. So what am I going to do to this kind of situation? Let me see if I can. Okay, I can save. No, I can't. Okay, so what am I going to do right now? I will have to see if I can screenshot. So let me just screenshot and save first, then see if I can really save it. If I didn't save it, fine. If I can't save it, it's fine. I have to manage this, because this is what I said earlier. I don't know, because of how I searched for this, I don't know whether it's pro or free one. Now that I have downloaded it, finished, they are not giving me option to save. So you can't. Just don't know. This is okay. So let's go. Let me go to my email and see what I will say there. So this is the end. Plenty voila. Okay, it's really downloaded. See it there. See the one I screenshotted. So the downloaded one is better. So this is very simple. Just edit, do whatever you want to do, finish. Thank you.